Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and today is Thursday and kakauwi ko lang ng bahay. Grabe yung experience ko today guys. I thought I lost my phone. It's because I went to a friend's house and then I went to the friend's house the whole day and then I was in the train and then at that time I already was like, where's my phone? So I was not sure if I forgot my phone the train or along the way, so I was like a bit nervous about it, and I had an agreement with Martin that he has to pick me up in the station here where we live because where we live is a bit far from the station, so if he's not gonna pick me up I have to like walk a long walk. Tapos sobrang ginaw pa, I was not ready for ito lang yung suot ko, tapos jacket na hindi gaano ka thick. So yon. So ang nangyari guys is I had no choice, I had no phone, so I had to walk all the way from the station coming here, and the shortcut to come here in this house is to walk in the forest area, and it was really cold, it was freezing so much. And then I came here, I thought, okay, is Martin home? Is he not home? And then when I came here, I could see he was like, it was actually funny, he was like worried somehow. He was searching in Google the number of my friend's house so he could call the friend and ask what's going on, because apparently he's been calling my phone so many times and there was no answer, and the phone also was in silent mode. And yeah, I'm happy because I borrowed Martin's phone and called my friend, and he said that the phone is there, it's safe. So what I'm gonna do a bit later, so yun nangyari guys, I just got home and then I called a friend and he said that the phone is there, so me and Martin is gonna pick up my phone there, and after, it's because we're already, that's a Copenhagen area, so we're already there, so we're just gonna watch a movie after. So yun, importante yung phone guys, my god, andun lahat ng chorva. So anyway, yun, and I just got home and I'm happy I got home. And sobrang ginaw, kaya I'm using this one. This is actually a blanket where you can, it's called like warm blanket, so you can warm it. You can warm it. So it gets warm. It's actually, I'm so happy with this. I've had this since last year. So sobrang maginawin ako guys. I always feel cold and freezing and all that, even if naka-on ang heater dito. So I got this and I'm actually using it when I'm cold or when I'm sleeping. Yan. I'm busy guys. Oy. So yun na lang mangyayari guys. Pupunta kami doon sa Copenhagen. I-pick up namin yung phone ko, and then after we're going to watch a movie. And then tomorrow nagpa-schedule ako ng magpa-eye check up kasi yung eyeglass ko guys sobrang hindi ko na sinusuot kasi hindi na ako nakakakita masyado noon. So I'd rather just don't have an eyeglasses kaysa naman sinusuot ko pero hindi pa rin ako makakita. So right now actually medyo blaring yung paningin ko, but then tomorrow they're gonna check my eyes and then I'm gonna have new eyeglasses, but I'm not gonna have the eyeglasses right away because they have to order it, and also maybe in 2 weeks time. So yon. Recording ba ito? Okay. I'm using pala the new camera guys, and I'm still playing with it. So yon. Yon yung buhay natin, and by Monday work na tayo. It's fine. I've also had 2 weeks vacation, so it's fine. So time to work na on Monday. Tapos yung straight 3 days ang aga ng duty ko guys, like 6 in the morning. So that means I have to wake up at 4. Yeah, so 6 in the morning and off ng around 4 p.m. But it's fine. It's gonna be fine. So that's it. See you later.